Are you tired of the daily commute and office politics? What if I told you that you could earn a six-figure income without even leaving your home? In today's video, we are revealing 15 of the highest paying work-from-home jobs that can transform your life and your bank account. Stay tuned and get ready to kiss that 9-to-5 goodbye. Kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 15 highest paying work-from-home jobs. Number 1. Audit Manager. According to recent statistics, the national average salary for an audit manager is around $109,604 per year. As an audit manager, one of the primary responsibilities is to organize and oversee internal audits within an organization. Additionally, they are tasked with making policy recommendations and ensuring that the organization is compliant with governmental and international obligations. They may also be responsible for leading a team of junior auditors or accountants and providing them with guidance and support as needed. It is important to note that the duties of an audit manager may vary depending on the specific organization and industry they work in. However, these general responsibilities are common across many different types of organizations. Number 2. Mobile Developer. The national average salary for this role is $124,918 per year. A mobile developer is responsible for creating smartphone applications. This involves writing clean and functional code, identifying malfunctions within the application, and troubleshooting the issues to help improve performance. Essentially, mobile developers are responsible for ensuring that the applications they create are running smoothly and efficiently. Number 3. User Experience UX Designer. According to recent research, the average annual salary for a UX designer in the United States is $101,842. This job requires individuals to create products that are not only user-friendly but also meet the needs of a diverse range of users. UX designers conduct extensive user research and usability testing to ensure that the products they design are intuitive and easy to navigate. They use this information to create wireframes and prototypes, which they then analyze to help in the product development process. Number 4. Psychologist. According to recent statistics, the national average salary for a psychologist is approximately $104,367 per year. The primary focus of a psychologist is to study human behavior and brain function. Their responsibilities include observing their patients, conducting interviews, and assessing whether they exhibit any signs of various mental disorders. Psychologists also analyze patterns in their patients' behavior or emotions to better understand their underlying issues. Number 5. Java Developer. According to recent statistics, the average salary for Java developers in the United States is $104,566 per year. As a Java developer, your primary responsibility is to design and develop software applications using the Java programming language. Your duties will include ascertaining user requirements, creating testing software, and ensuring that the application design meets company objectives. By utilizing your technical expertise and problem-solving skills, you will be able to develop innovative and efficient solutions that meet the needs of your clients. Number 6. Director of Quality. The national average salary for this position is $128,809 per year. Now, let's talk about the primary duties of a Director of Quality, also known as a Quality Assurance Director. The Director of Quality is responsible for creating and promoting a company's quality mindset. They work closely with department leaders to ensure that all products and services meet the company's quality requirements and are delivered on time. In addition to that, they also make sure that the products and services satisfy both the customer and regulatory requirements. This ensures that the company maintains its reputation and complies with relevant regulations. Number 7. Information Technology ID Security Specialist. Their main task is to recognize and analyze threats to a company's computer systems. They also provide new employees with login information and keep an eye on the system for any security breaches. Furthermore, they help to establish and maintain hardware and software security systems. Now, let's take a look at the national average salary for ID security specialists. According to recent data, the average annual salary for this job is around $106,053. However, This number can vary depending on factors such as experience, location, and the company they work for. It's essential to note that IT security specialists play a crucial role in ensuring a company's computer systems are secure and protected from potential threats. If you are interested in pursuing a career in this field, make sure to research and gain the necessary skills and qualifications to succeed. Number 8. Medical writer. According to recent statistics, the national average salary for medical writers is $111,552 per year. This means that medical writing can be a financially rewarding career option for those who are interested in the field. The primary duty of medical writers is to write and edit clinical trial and medical documents. These documents are crucial in the medical field as they are submitted to regulatory agencies for approval. In addition, medical writers may also write studies for FDA submission, which requires a high level of expertise and attention to detail. Furthermore, medical writers' documents are also used for other purposes such as for publications or medical journals. This requires them to have excellent writing skills and the ability to communicate complex medical concepts in a clear and concise manner. Number 9. Front-end developer. According to recent data, the national average salary for front-end developers is $109,186 per year. This means that front-end developers are in high demand and are compensated well for their skills and expertise. So, what exactly do front-end developers do? Their primary duties involve creating features that improve a user's experience on a web page. They make sure that web pages are not only functional but also visually appealing. In addition, front-end developers also ensure that web pages are designed to be mobile-friendly, which is crucial in today's mobile-first world. Number 10. Physician. The average salary for physicians in the United States, which is $214,564 per year. While many physicians work in healthcare facilities, some have the option to work remotely from home. In this setting, their responsibilities may include diagnosing and treating illnesses or injuries through phone or video consultations. Additionally, they may prescribe medications, interpret test results, and offer advice to patients on preventive health care and ways to improve their overall well-being. It's important to note that these duties may vary depending on the physician's specialization and work environment. Nonetheless, the primary goal remains the same: to provide excellent medical care to patients. Number 11. Software engineer. According to recent statistics, the national average salary for a software engineer is $110,169 per year. As a software engineer, your primary responsibility is to enhance the quality of software systems. You achieve this by identifying potential issues, creating standard operating procedures, recommending improvements, and implementing new software systems. In simpler terms, as a software engineer, you are responsible for ensuring that software systems are operating efficiently and effectively. This involves analyzing, designing, and implementing new software solutions to meet user requirements. Additionally, you have to ensure that the software systems meet industry standards and are scalable and maintainable in the long run. Number 12. Full-stack developer. According to recent data, the national average salary for full-stack developers is approximately $112,885 per year. This figure can vary depending on the employer, location, and level of experience. As for their primary duties, full-stack developers are responsible for developing both the front-end design and the back-end functionality of website applications. This involves creating user interactions on web pages and writing functional code on both sides of the website. Additionally, they must test and troubleshoot coding errors as they arise. Number 13. Senior project manager. According to recent data, the national average salary for this role is $118,263 per year. As for their primary duties, senior project managers are responsible for leading a team that delivers projects across various business units. They develop schedules, oversee resource allocation, manage project budgets, and ensure compliance with all necessary guidelines. Their role is critical in ensuring the success of a project, and their leadership and management skills are essential in keeping everything on track. It's important to note that senior project managers are in high demand in many industries, and the demand for their expertise is only growing. As a result, their salaries are often quite competitive and can vary depending on the industry and location. However, one thing is certain: senior project managers play a crucial role in the success of many organizations, and their skills are highly valued. Number 14, Director of Business Development. According to recent statistics, the national average salary for this position is $123,829 per year. As a Director of Business Development, your primary responsibility is to develop and execute strategies that enable businesses to capitalize on new opportunities. Your job involves setting objectives, identifying ways to achieve company goals, and collaborating with top executives. In essence, you play a vital role in the growth and success of a company. You are responsible for driving business expansion, establishing partnerships, and identifying new revenue streams. With your expertise, you can help organizations to stay ahead of their competition and achieve long-term success. Number 15, Senior Product Manager. According to recent data, the average annual salary for this role is around $139,252. As a Senior Product Manager, your primary responsibilities include leading a team of product managers and collaborating with other teams. You'll also need to gather feedback from both customers and colleagues within your organization to help develop new product strategies. Additionally, it will be your responsibility to ensure that your team understands the business value of each product they create. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.